Mpofu futhi bahlale betshelwa ukuthi wonke umuntu uyalingana ngaphambi komthetho kodwa lokhu kubonakala kungenzeki kuZuma.
We are told that, you know, I cannot even count the newspaper articles or so-called expert commentators who say that every time Mr. Zuma is treated differently to other people, it is to show that we are all equal before the law. Well, that's a joke.
Uthi abenziwa kahle ubulungiswa njengoba uZuma esemdala kangaka sekuphele nenyanga eqiqa enkantolo.
An old person must sit here for 6 months going through a trial which might be of academic use because he must only complain about Advocate Downer 6 months or 12 months or 18 months down the line, however long the trial is going to take.
Mpofu besefundela inkantolo oqukethwe usomqulu iBill of Rights ngamalungelo kaJacob Zuma.
It says every accused person has the right to a fair trial, which includes the right 3530 of appeal to or review by a higher court.
Loluqweqwe lommeli lithi kunelungelo likaZuma eligxotshwa ngezinyawo elikumthetho sisekelo wezwe wathi ke akayekwe uZuma asebenzise ilungelo lakhe. Ijaji uBitgun lasichithi isicelo sikaZuma sokuba khoxe uBilly Downer kuleli icala ngumfumfu wanyakenye kanti labe selibeka umhlazishi umnomuvo kumbasa wakulonyaka njengelanga okuzoqalwa ngalo ukuqulwa kwaleli icala. Abakhala ngakho abameli bakaZuma ukuthi angeke benzeke ubulungiswa uma ngabe uadvocate Billy Downer esashushisa uZuma. uZuma usolwa ngokugwazelwa ngemali ezinkulungwane ezingama500 zamarandi ngonyaka nokuyimali eyayivela enkampanini yaseFrance eyakha izikhali i-Thales ukuze uZuma asebenzise amandla akhe ezombusazwe ukuze avimbe uphenyo lwalithinta amabhiliyoni amarandi esivumelwano sokuthengwa kwezikhali. Okubikwa ukuthi nguyena owayewungqondongqondo kulokhu kugwaza ngowayengumeluleki kwakhe wezemali uShabir Sheikh.
How can justice? How can that be even approximately called in the interest of justice? Justice to who?
NguCalvin Dludla. Wezindaba ze SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.